Hello everyone, today I will be showing one of my recent projects where I had to replace a spotlight. We had the spotlights recently installed and one of them just suddenly stopped working. I turned off the breaker and started replacing the pot light. I didn't want to leave any marks on the ceiling as well as the pot light, so I was wearing brand new fabric gloves. It's very important to remove pot light without damaging drywall. Potlights have two springs. I located the first one and gently removed it. This allowed me to slide out the second spring without any damages to the drywall. Access to Potlight's box was blocked by the stud, so I had to go to the attic. It was important to wear a respirator as well as having all my tools with me. While on the attic, it's very important to walk only on studs. I had to cut through the vapor barrier to access the Potlight box. Make straight cuts to have just enough opening to get to the box. When you are done, you will have to properly tape it all back to avoid any air leaks. Since the box wasn't operational, I had to completely detach and replace it. To save some wires, I disconnected them from the push-in connectors where it was possible. Next phase was to prepare all wires for the new box. I removed damaged or excessive insulation and measured copper part to properly fit into the push-in connectors. Quick reminder, if you are in the attic or hard to access place, make sure you don't forget to select your light's color temperature. In my case, it was 5000 kelvins. While connecting wires in push-in connectors, make sure each wire is inserted properly and sits in tightly. It's time to fix the vapor barrier back. I use a blue tack tape, which sticks to the vapor barrier extremely well. Last phase on the attic, making sure all the insulation is placed back on its original place. Placing the pot light should be done in the reverse order. Connect the light to its box and gently place the first spring under the drywall, as well as the second one. Then gently push the entire pot light flush to the ceiling. That's all. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.